Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating branch of computer science that has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years. It aims to create machines that can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans do. This involves complex algorithms and vast amounts of data. These intelligent machines can learn from experience, solve intricate problems, and even understand and process human language. They adapt and improve over time. AI is all around us, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. It's in our phones, computers, and many other devices we use every day. One common example of AI that many of us interact with daily is the virtual assistant. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa live in our devices and are always ready to help. They respond to our voices, can answer questions, play music, set reminders, and even control our smart home devices. Popular virtual assistants include Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, each with unique features and capabilities. AI makes our lives easier and helps us to be more efficient by automating routine tasks and providing useful insights. It's changing the world in many ways, from healthcare to finance and even entertainment. So it's important to understand what AI is, how it works, and the impact it has on our lives and future. AI systems learn from data. They use algorithms to find patterns. Algorithms are like recipes. They tell the AI what steps to take. Data is like the ingredients. The AI uses data to learn. Machine learning is a type of AI. It allows machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms learn from data and improve their performance over time. Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. It uses artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain. Deep learning algorithms can learn from massive amounts of data. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed for a specific task. It's also known as weak AI. Narrow AI is good at things like playing chess or translating languages. It excels in specific domains but lacks general intelligence. General AI, on the other hand, is still mostly theoretical. It aims to create machines with human-like intelligence. General AI would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can. It's also known as strong AI. Most AI systems today are examples of narrow AI. They are very good at specific tasks, but they cannot think or learn like humans. The development of general AI would mark a significant milestone in technology, potentially revolutionizing many fields. However, achieving this level of AI is a complex challenge that requires advancements in multiple areas of research. For now, narrow AI continues to evolve and improve, making significant impacts in various industries. From healthcare to finance, narrow AI is transforming the way we live and work. As research progresses, the line between narrow and general AI may blur, leading to even more advanced systems. The future of AI holds exciting possibilities, and we are just beginning to explore its full potential. Section 4. Applications of AI. AI has many applications in various industries. It is used in healthcare to diagnose diseases. AI helps doctors create personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI detects fraudulent transactions. It also helps manage investments. AI powers virtual assistants like Google Assistant. These assistants help us with our daily tasks. AI is used in image recognition for self-driving cars. It is also used in security systems to identify faces. AI is used to personalize our online experiences. It recommends products and services based on our preferences and browsing history. Section 5. The future of AI. The future of AI is full of possibilities. AI is rapidly evolving, and its impact is being felt across various sectors. From healthcare to transportation, AI is transforming the way we live and work. It is becoming more powerful and sophisticated, capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This includes complex data analysis, decision-making, and even creative endeavors. Advancements in AI will continue to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Smart home technology and autonomous vehicles are just the beginning. We can expect AI to play a significant role in education, entertainment, and beyond. AI has the potential to solve complex problems that have long eluded human understanding. From mathematical equations to intricate engineering challenges, AI-driven solutions are paving the way for new discoveries. It can address challenges in healthcare, climate change, and poverty. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately makes it an invaluable tool in these critical areas. However, AI also presents ethical considerations. As we integrate AI into more aspects of our lives, we must address issues such as bias, transparency, and accountability. One concern is job displacement. As AI systems become more advanced, they could automate many jobs currently performed by humans, leading to significant shifts in the job market. Another concern is privacy. AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data, raising questions about how this data is used and protected. AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data. This data can be used to improve services and create new opportunities, but it also needs to be safeguarded to protect individual privacy. Safeguarding this data is crucial. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures and data protection protocols is essential to maintain trust in AI systems. Despite these challenges, the future of AI is promising. With careful consideration and responsible development, AI has the potential to bring about significant positive changes. AI has the potential to significantly improve our quality of life. From personalized healthcare to smarter cities, the benefits of AI are vast and varied. Understanding AI is essential for navigating the rapidly changing technological landscape. Education and awareness are key to harnessing the power of AI effectively. It empowers us to embrace the benefits of AI while addressing its challenges responsibly. By working together, we can ensure that AI serves as a force for good in our society.